Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that United States President Joe Biden has signed an executive order to allow targeted sanctions to be imposed against individuals and groups perpetrating violence and impeding humanitarian aid in Ethiopia. And no individuals or entities were named. But it is the strongest warning so far from the United States government against those committing right abuses or blocking aid in Ethiopia. President Biden also called on all parties to the conflict in the northern Tigray region to negotiate. And there is no military solution to the crisis, he said in a statement, adding that the United States was pressing for a ceasefire. And United States imposed sanctions against the chief of staff of the Eritrean Defense Force last month for his involvement in the Tigray conflict. Viewers, on the other hand, as you know that Eritrean soldiers, Amhara forces and militias present in the western Tigray, and to many extent this war is also going on for this reason, because in a statement from Tigray Defense Force said that if Amhara forces, Amhara militias and Eritrean soldiers leave all areas of western Tigray and Tigray Defense Force will also leave Amhara region. But now the oppression of the citizens of western Tigray is increasing, because according to the latest updates and according to our reliable sources on the ground in Humera, the Amhara Fano and militias have tied his hands behind his back, killed and beheaded a Tigrayan man who was in prison in a place called Inda Warehouse on the evening of 14 September 2021. And the victim was a school teacher by profession, and about it we received many reports before. Viewers, now many Tigray sources are claiming that the Tigray Defense Force has opened another new war front in the Amhara region. And it is said that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are currently trying to gain control of Addis Zaman and Ibnath. Viewers, Addis Zaman is located on the A3 highway in the Amhara region between Bahir Dar and Gondar. And according to reports, the Tigray Defense Force is trying to gain control over Addis Zaman, because if the Tigray Defense Force gains control over Addis Zaman, then the Tigray Defense Force could move to the Gondar from other side. While the Tigray Defense Force is already moving towards Gondar from Dabat, and there are reports of fighting between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and the Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, on the other hand, after gaining control of Addis Zaman, the Tigray Defense Force soldiers can move towards Bahir, the capital of the Amhara region, where the Tigray Defense Force has been trying to gain control since last month. According to reports, this will be the final phase if Tigray Defense Force takes control on Gondar and Bahir. On the other hand, heavy fighting is also going on in the area between Gashina and Debre Tabor. So viewers, so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.